I think if you just let him go, he'll come out by himself.
Why not?
I think he'll do it all by himself. Yeehaw!
Jimmy.
No, it's the first two.
Jimmy, let your brother do it. It's his present.
It's my present.
Right.
That is pretty cool.
No more exercise. My present.
I think I'll get more Zuzu accessories when we return the barbecue.
Are you working on the barbecue?
Yay! Where's your hamster? Show me your hamster, Cyrus.
We gave it to last time.
That's where it came from. Where's your hamster? I see it. There's your hamster.
Place that on me, guys.
Put it in.
Hey, Daddy's gonna take a shower.
And we can't do CAKE?
Oh, yep.
Oh, can you get the fire? Okay, Cyrus, say goodbye to the camera. Oh.